I have made an interactive visual game on scratch.mit.edu that can help with teaching trigonometry to students. As you can see, there is a circle with a radius of 100 pixels. These boxes in the corner are variables which can change their value. Sin theta is the value of the length of the side opposite to theta divided by the length of the hypotenuse. Cos theta is the value of the length of the side adjacent to theta divided by the length of the hypotenuse. Tan theta is the value of the length of the side opposite to theta divided by the side adjacent to theta. Tan theta can also be written as sin theta upon cos theta. A simple way to remember this is SOH CAH TOA, which is SOH CAH TOA. So sine is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, cos is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan is equal to opposite upon adjacent. The game asks you to enter the value of the angle theta in degrees. So if I enter the theta value as 45, the program will draw the hypotenuse of the triangle whose length is equal to the radius of the circle, that is 100 pixels. Then it will draw the perpendicular, and following that the base. The value of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta is then calculated. The value of sin 45 and cos 45 is the same, that is 1 upon root 2. Hence the value of tan 45 is 1. Then if I put the value of theta as 90, sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0, and tan 90 is infinity. For theta values that are more than 90 degrees, we see that sometimes sine, cos or tan show negative values. This is because depending on which quadrant of the Cartesian coordinate system the theta angle lies in, the ratios may have negative or positive values. This is an advanced concept which the students can easily observe and learn through my game. My game can be used by the students to visualize the relation between the angles and sides of a triangle when they start learning about sine, cosine and tangent ratios for the first time. Here, we are using the circle to show these ratios as the hypotenuse is always the same, which is the radius of the circle. So if a point is moving on the trajectory of a circle, the angle which it subtends at the center and the x-axis can be determined by the ratio of the sides of the triangle it makes as shown in the game. Once we understand sine cos ratios, we can easily calculate others too, like tan, sec, cosec and cot of theta. Trigonometry is used in architecture to measure heights, aviation, astronomy and many such fields. You can access this game by typing https://tinyurl.com/easytrigo. I hope that this game is useful for students of trigonometry and they enjoy learning with it. Thank you.